Hi, I'm Sarah Maxwell, and along with Dedra Hughes and Brooke Peterman, we make up the Dedra Hughes team. Today, I'm here at this beautiful new listing on 2543 Tuscan Way. This home offers 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a split bedroom floor plan. As you enter the front door, notice the beautiful vaulted ceiling in the living room. This home has lots of incredible touches to watch out for on the tour. Granite throughout, a great private backyard with a screened-in porch. So come on, let's take the tour.